In this Excel tip, I focus on the most useful functions in Excel. Number 1. We talk about in the previous tip about basic functions such as sum, average, count, max, and min. And in the practice, you can use more sophisticated functions such as round, which real rounds the values. The next one is if, which shows the value if meets the specified condition or doesn't. There is a very useful function VLOOKUP, which retrieves values from another table. If you want to synchronize two tables or connect between them, so you can use a VLOOKUP. There is a COUNTIF, which finds the count of values. You can write the right condition. There is a CONCATENATE, or in the newest Excel version there is a CONCAT, which merges the contents of the cells together. Or you can combine value from cell and your own value which you type there. And I would like in the next tips talk about next most useful functions in Excel.